kinain ng daga yung wire sa...
Good morning, Philippines!
Sabi niya, kisi. Gustong lumabas, guys. Gustong lumabas. And then sabi ko, halikan niya ako para gusto talaga siya makalabas.
And that's just another tragedy. And we've seen enough tragedy. Our general I'm asking everyone to reject violence and join me in committing ourselves to the work of reform and justice.
Palabasin natin. Good morning! Let's go outside. Kasi hinalikan niya ako. Mayroon sa labas. Hala! It's a mice! Uy, ay, no, Roxy! Lumabas na. Lumabas. Kaya pala gusto nilang lumabas at saka andito palagi si Roxy. Kasi may daga. May daga. Lumabas na siya. Wala na. Ando na sa ilalim. Hello guys! Good afternoon! Late na tayong nakapag-vlog ulit. Aalis kami. Mag-ano lang kami para sa Saturday. May ano lang kami, tipon-tipon. Bibili lang ako ng manok. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung binili namin. Alam nyo naman kapag kasama ko ito, nakaka-stress. Kapag kasama sa pamimili kasi hindi makinig. Bilhin lahat kung anong nakikita. Ang saya ng ano ko, oh. May mga bagong tubong dahon. Ang saya, may bulaklak. May mga bagong tubong dahon, no? Saya. Anyway, ito naman masaya. Okay naman sila dito. Hindi naman sila namamatay, look. Okay sila. May ano dito, may bagong tubo. Ito, hindi ko tinubigan. Pero parang namamatay ata. Tubigan ko nga ito, be. Parang namamatay yung mga dahon, no? Nag-itim yung dahon. So, let's see. Let's see. Kay Biyanan po ito, guys. Ito yung gamit ni Biyanan palagi. Oh, meron akong video. Sana napanood ninyo yung video na kausap ko, yung Biyanan ko, na matagal na yun, 2017 na video. And nakita ko sa YouTube, sabi ko, i-re-upload ko nga ito. Kasi, and then, kinikip ko din siya kasi para, nagsasalita kasi yun si Biyanan. Hey, bakit kayo na ganyan? Bakit kayo namamatay? Bakit kayo umitim? Yung dahon, dalawang dahon. Ito yung pinoproblema ko talaga kapag ito si Tami, no? Kapag may hinahanap. Ito yung pinaka-stressful sa buhay ko. Noon pa to. Nung kapag may hinahanap yan, hindi makita. Kasi ang daming mga gamit at hindi makitaan. Ako ang didiskitahan. Oh, yung trailer doon, guys, RV. Is a RV trailer? RV, right?
Oh, gone.
Still there. Keep going, still there. Slow down. Slow down.
Take a picture of that.
I don't like it. There's no, we cannot see the phone number.
Yeah, you can see on the front. Oh, 18,500.
Go.
Take the phone number. You got it? Phone number and the price.
18,000, guys. RV, right?
Yeah.
Maganda siya. Maybe we can get money from your investment.
Go look at it. See.
Maybe they have a thing. Maybe we can call and make a look, take a look, and ask him what's the problem.
Phone number. No, it's not a problem.
Oh.
It's just not new.
That's not new, I know. But if you buy just like that, how much you think?
I don't know. But I have no idea what RV is. You know, I'm curious as to, you know, how many miles on it. You know, this guy says, oh, it's got, you know, 220,000 miles on it. Well, it's going to probably be dead before you can go, you know, go to Connecticut.
Look, RV.
Fine, call him from the store. We'll stop on the way back.
View ko. Okay guys, ito na lang yung gamitin. Naghanap kami ng pang-broker ni Tommy para sa bisita. The problem is he's not gonna be there to burger that, to cook that. Oh, I'm looking for chicken. Ay, hanap tayo ako ng manok kasi, at saka pork barbecue. Manok. Wala man silang magandang manok dito. Ayaw. Ang daming soda. Can you get just one pork bag? We're gonna end up having a lot of food. Parang wala kaming meat. Ang daming meat sa bahay. What's the difference, Tommy? Okay, that's it. Just one. Okay guys, ito yung hinahanap namin, nuts. So what do you think is a good one here? They're kind of pricey in a small container.
Yeah.
They're 7 bucks and stuff. No, even the big one is 15 bucks, son. 15 bucks doon. What is that chewy? Oh, honey roasted.
What?
Honey roasted right there. There.
These? Those are
It's
cashews.
salted and it's
It's cashews. Cashews are more expensive.
bumili din ako ng ano guys, shampoo ng aso. Look. And, tapos na kami sa grocery store. And yun. Luspat kay ko guys. Puti yung ano ko. Hindi ako naglagay ng lipstick kasi wala sa mood. Ilagay ko lang ito guys sa refrigerator lahat at freezer. So yun. Can I help you? Hold on. Give it to me. What is that for? Careful with that thing there. No, this one is still good. Nasira. Kinain ng daga yung wire sa it's hot, man.
Supposed to be hot.
Kinain ng daga yung mga wire sa likuran. Kanina, di ba may daga? It's the han. The mice has been there for a few days. Roxy just been wanting to give it. Gumawa sila ng bahay doon, guys. Look. Ginawa ng bahay ang ilalim ng ano, kaluka. Ang daming hinakot nila na ano, damo. Oh my God, guys. Ang daming dala. Look, they really make a house in there. Holy cow.
They like it in there. Protects them from stuff. I wonder if I turn it back upside down if it'll work. Or is there more damage here?
Ginawang bahay-bahayan itong ano. Ay, ay, ay. Can you look also that white wire dangling over there? That black one, if they eat it. Inside, the inside part.
It looks okay.
Huh?
It looks okay.
The other one, the inside one.
This one?
This one, oh, this.
I'll see, okay.
Nilinis lang ni Tommy, guys. And then, let me see if I can feel. Oh, I can feel now. So, nakakaloka itong life. Si Roxy ba doon sa garden ko? Parang baliw. So, nagdidig siya. Gusto niyang ididig yung container doon. So, minove kong container. So, my God na ay ilaga doon. Maliit, mais. Nandun, nakatago. Kaluka, muntik na pumasok sa garahean. Naka-open yung ano. So, ito yung pork na i-barbecue ni Tommy. And then, ang gagawin ko is, i-boil ko siya. Ganyan kami ni Tommy mag-barbecue ng pork. I-boil namin siya. Pagkatapos ng boiling, i-marinate. I-marinate siya for 2 nights. Tonight, tomorrow night, tonight, kasi Saturday, lutuin namin ito, barbecue. Siya daw yung mag-barbecue. So, meron akong nilabhan kagabi. Ilagay ni Tommy dito. That means, ilagay natin yan sa para sugda nagpilo. Sugda nagpilo. Ay, ginawa ko. Matanda na talaga ako, guys. Kapag may asawa ka na, hindi ka na pwedeng mag-sitting pretty. Kasi, kung may kalat yung asawa, ikaw yung mag-ano. Okay, mamaya ka na, day, ha? Mamaya ka na, ha? Tommy, mahilig yan si Tommy mag-sampay. Yun yung family nila. Sa family sampay. The mice will come back. What? Huh?
Go pop, not while it's running though.
What?
I knew it was going to be that easy. I could have done it without flipping it upside down.
Well, honey, you did it already.
I know, but I'm saying I didn't have to flip it. You had to flip it upside down to get the motor and stuff out.
Your eyes blink like.
I got none now.
Yeah, next you know what next year, honey? That's all I'm gonna plant. Cucumber and zucchini.
You got to plant staggered planting so that they come up all year, not all one time.
But hon, this America thing, season, 4 seasons.
Yeah.
Guys, Tommy is making some burger for Saturday. Para sa mga lalaki. For the boys. For the boys only. You eat bihon, right? Luigi make bihon. And everybody eat bihon. Hi guys, so ngayon guys, ang ginawa namin sa pork is pinaboil namin siya and then i-marinate siya for 2 nights. And ito yung gusto ni Tommy na barbecue. So wala tayong magawa. Kasi ito yung gusto niya. And then lagyan natin ng mamasitas, barbecue seasoning, and also he's going to add his own seasoning. Konti lang yung ilagay ko nito. And then, siya na naman yung mag-add kung ano yung gusto na. Kasi mahilig siya mag-barbecue. So, sabi ko, can I add konti sa ano ko, sa seasoning ko. So, yun. Care.
This is the last oil here?
Yeah. Single care, Martin. Martin, what's his family name?
Sheen.
Martin Sheen.
Charlie Sheen's father.
Charlie Sheen. Mag-barbecue ako lang. And yun. I-try natin mag-barbecue na tayo lang. O kahit tayo lang. At saka ilagay ko sa skewer. That's how we Filipino do. Skewer, honey. Barbecue skewer.
How you do ribs on a skewer?
That's it. Huh? Oh, no, you have a lot of onion in the house. So you're good.
Well, most of it's here.
That's it, huh? Not
Gotta be mixed up, it'll be fine. Parsley?
parsley, that's not chicken, huh?
Excuse me? Why is it chicken? Parsley's not even chicken?
Hala, not spicy, please.
Cajuns.
Not spicy. That's it. Look at this too. See, they're seeing something again over there. His father is a politician too?
No, he's saying Hunter Biden's not Williams and follows in it. I mean, Joe Biden's in it. You like a lot of rice.
Why you give me a lot of rice?
Because rice is life.
Rice is like... Hey, where is my Roxy? Come in, Nena. Roxy. Naghanap talaga ng daga. Kirin, hurry up. In. Come. Naghanap ka ng daga. Look, Dada is ready to eat. Okay na, Han? Can you... Han, I know what I want to eat. Okay? And what are you gonna plan over there to cook? Kain na kami guys kasi gusto ko na mapanood ng Lost. I want to watch Lost. Lost in love and I don't know much. Ang ano ng panahon ngayon, ang hirap. Mag-in lang tayo ng vlog kasi manunood kami ni Tami kasi hindi ako makapaghintay. Gusto ko nang mapanood ng season 5 ng Lost. Sana mapanoodin ninyo guys kung mayroon kayo. I think Amazon or hindi ko alam kung asan pero yun. We're going to end the vlog.
Hi guys. You want to have a cigarette?
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Shut up, I have the camera because...
Anyway guys, so we will see you guys tomorrow. We're gonna end the vlog. Manonood kami ng Lost after mag-smoke si Tami. And yun. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Good night guys. Good night.